Welcome to this morning meditation with me. This short meditation will help you feel filled with love and gratitude for life. First, gently stretch your body to loosen up. Then, sit comfortably on your bed. You can either place your feet on the floor or sit cross-legged. The important thing is to keep your spine straight. You may close your eyes or keep them open with a soft gaze. Now, take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, like a gentle sigh. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now, you can return to breathing normally through your nose. Place your right hand on your chest and feel the beat of your heart. Feel the connection to your heart, the source of life itself. Let each heartbeat come naturally. Imagine the warmth of your hand flowing into your heart. Allow gratitude to gently fill your mind. Feel grateful for this heart that keeps beating. It works day and night, allowing you to wake up and embrace a new day. Let your heart receive the warmth of gratitude through your hand. Feel your entire heart warming up. Experience the feeling of gratitude and self-love. Let love for life flow through every part of your body with each heartbeat. Feel each cell in your body being nurtured by love and gratitude. Quietly say to yourself, I love this body. I love this being. I love this heart. Learning to love yourself is just as important as learning to love others. Show yourself the same love and kindness that you give to those you care about the most. Now, we've come to the end of this meditation. You can slowly open your eyes and gently move your body. Stretch your arms and greet the day with a big smile, ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. I wish you a day full of joy and happiness. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next meditation session.